As Russia's electronic warfare equipment poses one of the bigger challenges for Ukraine's drone army, these are often a top priority to destroy. While many systems are placed at a static, elevated position as cell phone towers to interfere or listen to the signal better, Ukraine usually hits the specific system to take away this capability. But this time the Shadow unit have had enough of this electronic warfare tower and targeted on one of its 3 legs with a high explosive warhead, causing the whole tower to fall over, destroying the equipment in the process and limiting the ability to place another system up, reducing Russia's electronic warfare capability by taking out another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.